Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to level up your content creation process, Canva Pro is an excellent tool to help you design stunning visuals. Today, we'll go over the key features of Canva Pro and how you can use them to create professional quality content easily. Let's get started. Unlock premium templates. Canva Pro gives you access to thousands of premium templates, making it easier to create anything from social media posts to presentations and videos. Browse through the wide variety of templates and pick the one that best fits your brand or content style. Custom Branding Kit. With Canva Pro, you can upload your brand's logo, fonts, and color palette to create a custom branding kit. This ensures that all your content stays consistent across different platforms and looks professional every time. Remove backgrounds with one click. One of the coolest features of Canva Pro is the background remover. Whether you're working with images or portraits, you can instantly remove the background with just one click, making your designs look cleaner and more polished. Resize designs with Magic Resize. Canva Pro's Magic Resize feature allows you to resize your design for different platforms with just a few clicks. Whether you're creating a Facebook post, Instagram story, or YouTube thumbnail, Magic Resize ensures your design looks perfect for each format. Use advanced animation effects. Take your designs to the next level with Canva Pro's advanced animation effects. You can animate text, images, and other elements to create eye-catching visuals for social media, presentations, or video content. Access to stock photos, videos, and music. Canva Pro includes a huge library of premium stock photos, videos, and music tracks. You can easily find high-quality visuals that fit your content and enhance your designs. This can save you time and effort in sourcing content from other platforms. Collaborate with team members. Canva Pro makes it easy to collaborate with your team. You can share your designs, get real-time feedback, and work together seamlessly. This is especially useful if you're managing a social media account or working on a large project with multiple team members. Create animations and GIFs. Want to create an animated design or GIF? Canva Pro allows you to design animations and export them as GIFs or video files. This is great for social media content, email campaigns, or website elements. With these powerful features, Canva Pro is a fantastic tool for content creation, no matter what kind of visuals you need. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content creation tips. See you in the next one.